Yes, everybody saw a good vibe. So yeah man, I'm just walking to the place right now. You see, I'll just show you some clippings quickly of the food that I just done cooked this morning. So we're going to the Windrush organization. Yeah man, see ya, a good vibes. Just arriving. Yeah man. Yes everybody, so we've just arrived at the Windrush organization. A good vibes. I think the food's in the bag. Oi, oi. Yeah man. So what's happening in there today is you're gonna wait and see. But let me just show you a quick look around. It's an authentic, back in the day. If you've come to England, like on the Windrush in them times there, this is how the homes would have looked in them times there, everybody. A good vibes. I'm gonna just show you around. We're inside of the building, but they've got like a section that's just like different parts of the home. Like there's a bedroom here, old school cabinet. Yeah man, I'm just gonna walk you through. Good vibes. Yes everybody, so good vibes, you know. So yeah man, it's a good day today people, yeah, because you know what it is, yeah, we're giving back to an organization, to a community. We're the community, we're the people, yeah. All right, so it's the Windrush Generation Legacy Association people, yeah. So we're here today in Croydon, you understand? So we just provided some Ackee and Saltfish and some fried dumpling on the menu, everybody. So a good vibe. So we're just gonna go inside just now and just have a look around. And you understand? Come in. So Ringo's kitchen. So I'm going to show you the food that I prepared today. So today we made some fried dumplings, Jamaican fried dumplings. We also made some authentic Ackee and Saltfish. Come and have a look. Yes everybody, big up yourself. Some good vibes. Have a look around. You can see what I want inside the environment. It's basically a tea. So it's between 11 and 1 p.m. So a 2-hour tea where everybody come together and have a chat, and a lot of things are going to be going on today. So I'm going to show you what I want. A good vibes. Everybody, good morning. My name is Ringo. A few months ago I was basically passing through Croydon, going about my day-to-day activities, and then I passed the organisation. It stood out to me, so I came in and started asking questions, and then a lady, I can't remember her name, but she pointed me in and we got talking, and we kept in communication. So I then gave her my social media, which is Ringo Vision, and I use Instagram and YouTube. So we communicated through Instagram, where she told me about the organisation a bit more and what happens here, and basically the coffee mornings and the teas that we're going to be having this morning. So because I'm a chef as well, I've been cooking publicly for the last 2 years. I'm originally from Jamaica, born in Jamaica, Clarendon. Both parents are from Jamaica as well. So I wanted to come in today to basically cook brunch for you guys, just as an opportunity basically from even my parents and my grandparents, just basically to give something back to my people, to my own culture as well. So I made some authentic Jamaican Ackee and Saltfish. A good vibe, so I just want to start serving. And yeah, we can start eating and start talking at the same time. I hope everybody's good. Just get a bit of feedback just to see if you guys enjoyed the meal.
Yes.
Thank you very much. If you have any questions that you guys would like to ask, you can feel free to ask. What I do for the last 2 years, I've opened up a catering business, which at the moment I'm just venturing to get bookings to basically do events, weddings, birthday parties, christenings and things like that. I've been doing that for 2 years now. I've also got a YouTube channel where I do like demonstration, like teaching people how to cook authentic Caribbean dishes. So I put out 2 videos every week on YouTube, which length between like 10 minutes and 30 minutes, just doing a demonstration video. Like it could, so today's video coming out is going to be like sugarcane fish. So I'm doing an experiment, basically juicing the sugarcane to use it to stew the fish. So there's a lot of different type of experiments that I also do with food, just to explore like the wider variety within myself, just to cater for people, literally, like offering different flavours around the Caribbean cuisine in itself. Yeah.
That's good.
My dad originally, back home, my dad makes Dutch pots. Yeah. So my dad originally, I was born, my dad he makes Dutch pots. So I think that's where the passion for cooking, and obviously my mum as well, she's always in the kitchen, and she always had me in the kitchen. So while my mum was washing the plates, I had a dishcloth to dry them. So I just had that warmth to the kitchen from early. So later on in life, I found myself just gravitating to cooking publicly for people.
Where are you based?
I'm based in South London.
Okay, do you have a car or something like that?
I haven't got a car with me, but I could leave my contact details.
Okay, right. Yes, please. I saw you online recently. Yeah.
You saw me online?
Yes.
On YouTube?
Something I've seen you on. Yes.
Possibly.
Yes, I saw you online talking about it.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, okay. What else? Because whatever is on YouTube, I have nothing. The only tube I have. There's a tube on YouTube. Don't go around and say it.
So you make your saltfish? Do you actually boil it?
Yes,
Do you boil it first?
I boil it first,
Yeah.
and then I fry it afterwards.
Yeah, that's how I do it as well.
Yeah, just fry it up,
Yeah.
and then I'll use like garlic,
Yes, yeah.
onions, peppers, and then I start to add things in slowly. So onions and garlic.
Do you fry those first?
Yeah,
Yeah,
everything
that's how I
goes in
do it.
stages. Yeah. Because if
I fry them and put them aside, and then do my saltfish, fry my saltfish off,
yeah,
and then I add that into my saltfish,
yeah,
and then leave the ackee till the very last, because if you
Mm.
don't, it gets all mushy. And you must forever stir it, because it will just turn to eggs. Yeah. And I'm also a good cook as well.
Beverly, you have competition there.
yeah. So saltfish, quick, easy steps. You can either soak it for a few hours or overnight, or if you're in a rush, you can boil it quickly, strain off the water, wash it with some cold water, fry up the saltfish, leave it in a separate bowl, and then start to fry your onion and garlic. This is the stage that I do onion and garlic, and then once the onion and garlic starts to infuse into the oil slowly, then I start to add like the more harder things that will take longer to cook, which is like the peppers and things like that. And then the last ingredients or vegetable that I would add at the end is tomatoes. And then I would add the saltfish in, and just let that saltfish, because I've fried the saltfish, I'm not trying to just cook it out again to get the crispiness out. So I really add it in at the end of the vegetables and then I just make it steam for a little while, and then I add the ackee, but the ackee I scald it off with hot water.
Oh, do you?
Yeah,
Okay.
because
so you don't have to overcook it.
It's sitting in the tin for like God knows how long. So I scald it off quickly, and then I put it in. And then I don't stir it at all.
No.
I just get the pan and do this.
Give it a little shake.
Just give it a little shake, add black pepper at the end, and that's it, it's done. The black pepper just separates the colour and just gives it that, you know? That's it.
It's easy when you know how.
Yeah. But Ackee and Saltfish station, if you go stage by stage, maybe like an hour you're in and out.
Oh man, less than an hour. Less than, because you've already boiled the saltfish.
Yeah.
And that's the longest part.
Thank you again.